Welcome. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a website for your pharmacy. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video on YouTube and you aren't quite familiar with MultiSites, MultiSites is the easiest way to launch a one-page website for your small business. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, really affordable, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to search for my market now at the top, pharmacy, and there the template is. I'm now going to select that option. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our pharmacy so I can generate a one-page website for us. Let's go ahead and put in our company name, Rochelle's Pharmacy, city, and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Site service. We have happy customers from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business to retail and click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? Let's go ahead and put in our phone number as well as our email address. I'm now going to click on continue. Great. Where is our pharmacy located? Let's go ahead and put in our street address as well as our postal code. Let's move along. Great, let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open nice and early. We open at 8:30 a.m. and we close at 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. We open 7 days a week for your convenience. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order, and let's move along. Now look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a one-page website for me. I didn't need to know any coding. I didn't need to be super tech savvy. I didn't need to hire a web developer. No website building skills whatsoever. So let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images as well. They're all very high quality and they are completely free to use. No licenses needed or anything like that. However, if you want to make amendments, perhaps you want to upload some of your own photos or make any amendments to the content, you can do that and it's super simple. You don't need to know any coding. As I said, it's really simple. So I'm going to walk you through the process through each section, work my way through from the top to the bottom, just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works. So I'm now going to hit update section at the top and make sure I click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the right hand corner at the top next to my phone number. That is click to call, by the way. Let's make sure that's saved. Our address is displayed in the top left hand corner, and when our customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to our pharmacy. Let's head to update social links. Over here, we can put in our Instagram page, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook. And our icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner so your customers can easily give you a follow, engage with you, and see what your pharmacy is up to. Maybe you're running some promotions. Go ahead and put your social media accounts over here. Let's save and let's move along. Now I'm going to move on to the next section and head to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Mighty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really great. However, if you do have a logo, browse from your device and upload it. Awesome. Let's go ahead and save that. Great, look at that. We can make it bigger and smaller to suit our needs. I want to make mine slightly bigger, save my logo, and move along. If you don't have a huge budget for a logo, but you really want one, I do recommend that you check out the canva.com website. There are a few free great options on there. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout your Mighty Sites page, this royal blue, I guess you can call it, doesn't work for your branding. Perhaps your signage throughout your pharmacy, your logo is a completely different color to this blue. You don't need to know color coding to change it, like most other services or websites, builders. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket over here and go through the various color options available. So I'm going to see which one works best for me. That's pretty neutral, so I like it. Um, let's see this one. Okay, I actually really like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. As you can see, it's now used throughout my Mighty Sites page and it looked really great. On to the next section. So as I said, we wanted to make the service as easy as possible. We wanted to make your life easy as possible when it comes to launching a one-page website for your pharmacy. However, you can make those changes. So let's head to update section and head to update image. And let me just show you how simple it is to do. If you do have your own images, go ahead and browse from your device and upload them. Otherwise, search to the photo library. There are hundreds of free images to choose from. It will automatically search for pharmacy, but you can play around with the terms. However, there are some really suitable images over here. So I'm going to select that one. Let's have a look and see what it looks like. That looks great. I'm actually going to save that and close and move along. Now head to update contents. Over here you can change the title and subtitles to suit your needs. Button, perhaps you don't want it to say get directions. Let's say get in touch. Whoops, and go to choose link. Now we can link to another website. Perhaps you have like a calendar booking where you take appointments for medical, maybe vaccines or something along those lines where you need to make bookings to see the nurse that you have on site. Go ahead and pop the details in here. You can link to another website. You can also link to an action like click to call directions. So I'm going to put this as click to call. But one of my favorite options is a PDF file. So you can upload your own PDF file. So perhaps you have your latest promotions in PDF format. Go ahead and upload them there under PDF file. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to that PDF file. Let's go ahead and click on confirm, save contents, and let's move along. You can see everything is updated now, and I'm really happy with it. Again, over here, another section can be amended. Button can link to various places to suit your needs. We've now made our way onto the About Us section. Over here, I put a little bit more details of how your pharmacy came to be, how you got into the industry, more about your pharmacists, are they qualified and highly trained, um, what sort of services you offer people, how long you've been in your location. Put as much information here as possible. Your customers would love to hear your story and find out who exactly is looking after their health. Over here, another great spot for a high quality image, but go ahead and leave this one if you want to, as it's pretty suitable for a pharmacy. Over here, again, another great spot for a high quality image. Upload one of your own or choose one from the photo library by hitting update section over here. Over here, we made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services your pharmacy offers in addition to selling medication. Perhaps you do vaccination, immunizations like flu shots, stuff like that. Maybe you do prescription deliveries to surrounding areas. Maybe you do medication therapy management to help patients better understand and manage their medications. Go ahead and put all the details over here. Maybe you also offer like blood sugar testing, blood pressure checking, or stuff like that. Put all your services here so your customers know what they can come to you for. Another great spot for a high quality image. Go ahead and update section if need be. Over here onto the last section, go ahead and make amendments to your hours as well as your location if you need to by hitting update section over there. Awesome. So let's take a closer look. We've literally gone through this website. We've made some changes. We've made it more suited to our pharmacy. It's been really easy. I didn't need to know any coding or be super tech savvy. It's been such a breeze to work with. And it's literally taken me less than 10 minutes to put everything together. It's absolutely amazing. Remember, the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. So give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. See how simple it is to use the service. I really hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.